In this video, you'll find out how to use Google Chrome to read a PDF to you. All you need to do is use the Read Write app that's available on Chrome or on your Chromebook. So the first thing you need is a PDF. So find a PDF in your Google Drive. Open the PDF and you'll see an option on the top that says Open With. Click the down arrow and choose Read Write for Google Chrome. Now, when you open up Read Write for Google Chrome, you might be not able to open up this window because up here in this corner, you might see a little icon with a red circle on it. That means that you just need to fix the pop-up windows. Give it a right click, allow pop-ups, and everything should be just fine. So now that you have your PDF open, select what you want it to read, press the play button.
You will need a set it out to my rule, game cards, scissors, 2 labels,
and it'll read to you.
Lengths of string. Cut out the game cards. Spread.
It's that easy. Again, find a PDF, open with Read Write, highlight the text, and press play.
Of a secret rule that describes some of the polygons.
Sometimes it will be a little bit distorted depending on the text that you have.
Name each triangle as scalene, isosceles, or equilateral.
But that's how easy it is.